Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games that keep on crashing. So let's begin. First, I want you to open your Steam client. All right. Now go to library. For example, your Left 4 Dead keeps on crashing in any given scenario or randomly. You can actually right click over here. This is actually the a very quick fix. Right click, properties, go to installed files. Okay. Now over here, we have verified this game's files are installed correctly. So make sure to select verify integrity of game files. This might take a while. Once it hits 100%, it will show in here that it has successfully verified the integrity of the files, and it might show a little report or message that some files were reacquired. So that's how you can check that this game that you had uh, something happened, unknown reason why that some files are missing. It could be that mods or add-ons or any other software that might have interfered with the game. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.